Isn't it insane?
Pinesko nyo lang naman kami sa New Frontier,
I mean, maliit na bagay. Huwag kayong magulat kung bigla na lang akong magbe-breakdown.
Oo, akala ko baka may encore song ka mamaya.
Magulat na lang kayo.
Yeah, no, but really, I saw some stills. I don't know if they're gonna show it, pero grabe yung emotions na pinakita mo. Like, can you take us on the ride? What's it gonna be like Jasmine in Manila's Finest?
Well, I think my character here, kasi I don't think it's a character that you would expect to see sa era ng 60s. So I think it's nice to give it a bit of a modernized version. She's one of the women in Magtibay's life. And that's all I can say sa ngayon. Para lang hindi ma-spoil what the story's about and I guess, Magtibay's personality rin. Kasi, ano yan, that's something we will have to discover as an audience together to be able to understand ano ba ang pinagdaanan ng mga Manila's Finest back then in the 60s, diba? What were their struggles? What were their challenges in that era? Personally, pero pati rin sa trabaho nila.
Doc, your first time working with Piolo, diba? And and how was it like navigating the 60s with him?
I think swerte na lang ako na nakapag-work kami previously in a different film where we had very intimate scenes. So, doing this film, doing some scenes together for Manila's Finest na medyo may ganong theme to some extent. I think it was more comfortable being around him, and then hindi din naman kasi siya mahirap pakisamahan. He's one of the actors, I think, that make you feel very welcome on set, sa industry. So, I mean, it's awesome to work with Piolo again.
Wow. You're gonna be a woman ahead of her time. Have you always been like that?
Gusto kong isipin, no? Siguro, I think, pagdating sa pagiging half Australian ko rin, may mga mandadala ako na pagka, I wouldn't say modern na hindi modern ang mga Filipino. What I'm saying is, I guess, yung pagka open-minded. There are some things that we're very conservative about as a culture. That's who we are. And I accept that kasi Filipina din na naman ako. Pero may mga pagiging Australiana, na pagiging out there, you know, you just want to push the boundary a little bit, medyo maging mas, I guess, adventurous. And those are the things I think na-apply ko kay Janet in Manila's Finest, in this story, na siguro ang expectations sa mga babae nung